know got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me. Told me,
hey y'all, it's your good gushy sister. Sorry, the fuck. Anyways, so you gotta make sure your face is clean. So I done did my eyebrows already, but I'm about to use this witch hazel to tone my skin, and I use this as a moisturizer also. And I do this right before I do my makeup, because I realized that I don't get as oily throughout the day. And I didn't show it on camera, but I also set my face with loose powder, and it kind of blocks my oil from getting through to my makeup. And then I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm using this L'Oreal True Match. The color is Sable, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend that all out around my face. Also, you want to make sure you're using a matte foundation if you don't want any oils or anything like that. And please make sure your foundation matches your skin. Even if it's a shade lighter than you, it's going to show when you use flash. Okay, so make sure you the right color. We're not trying to be like Casper out here. We're not trying to look Casper short. All right. So now I'm using this concealer by Maybelline. I forgot the color. Everything will be in the description box, okay? And I'm going to be putting that everywhere you see me putting it. And for some reason, my camera cut off when I was blending out my concealer. So I ended up using my powder to set everything. This powder is by Maybelline Fit Me, and this powder does control my oil throughout the day, and it also gives me a gorgeous glow when I use flash on my camera, and it just keeps me oil free. And all of these products are drugstore as well, so this is a goodie, okay? And even though this is drugstore, this comes in so many beautiful shades, so I'm pretty sure you will be able to find your complexion. I believe my color was medium deep. For this powder, you do not want to go super light, because if you go super light, it's going to give you flashback. The only exception to this rule is honestly the Laura Mercier powder, and also Coty Airspun. I love that powder as well. It's super cheap. I think it's like $7.99 in CVS, and it works on all skin tones, even if you have a deeper complexion. So you guys could try that also, but I've been loving this powder lately. Powder on, I'm going to be using this face powder from Black Radiance, and I'm going to be using that to bronze my face. I'm going to put the color down below, and I'm placing that just to contour my cheekbones, and I'm going to be using the same powder to contour my nose. I'm going to be using this blush from Milani, and it looks like I put mad blush on, but I promise you I'm not ODing. I don't know why people have been wearing so much blush lately. Like, it should not be looking like a clown. Like, we're not trying to look like Pennywise. Like, no. And then I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush again and making sure that blush is blended out so I do not look crazy. And honestly, the key to this is making sure you're using products that work for your skin, and also making sure everything is blended, because you want to be oil free, but you also, you want to make sure everything is blended. So you want to see me using my fluffy brush to blend everything together once again. And then I'm going to be using this highlighter from Fenty, and I'm putting that on my cheekbones, my brow bones, my nose, and my cupid's bow.
Sadly, you guys, being an oily girl, we will have to always freshen up. You're going to have to carry powder. There's no way to get around that, like, honestly, just because our oil will seep through. But these tips will help your makeup last longer, so you don't have to apply more product like ASAP, But so yeah, everything is blended now, and we're going to take a picture with flash. And look at you, and this picture is without any edit. We looking snatched. Like, our makeup is not cakey or anything. It's nice and gorgeous. And now when you're in a club and you gotta take a picture, you're not gonna be looking like an ashy donut. Yes. But let me know what you guys think. If you have any tips being an oily girl like myself, please leave some down below. I would love to hear some of you guys' tips. And thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.